Receive tayo ng airdrop from Grass Season 1 ng 61.29 and ito ngayon yung value niya ng isang Grass, 1.11 USD. So, nakuha tayo ng total of $68. And what's good about this mga dongs, no, is hindi doon nagtatapos sa kanilang Season 1 because pwede na rin tayo mag-grind for the Season 2. Okay, so andito po tayo ngayon sa ating Grass dashboard and as you can see under earnings, no, meron na tayong 115.50k na earnings sa ating Epoch 1. And if you notice, merong bago dito etong store which introduces us dito sa Grass desktop node. And what's good about this desktop node is that it provides times 2 ng ating earnings from the traditional extension na originally naman talagang ginawa natin dito sa Grass. However, if you want to multiply it by 2, then download their Grass desktop node. Once installed, ganito po yung magiging itsura ng kanilang desktop node or desktop software. You just have to keep on running this on the background. Kahit na-ex na po yan, mag-run po yan on background. And you don't have to worry, no? Kasi I've been running this software nila for the past 3 to 5 days na. And wala naman tayo naging problema in terms of performance, in terms of yung ating security. Safe po tayo with Grass. Sayang naman kasi, meron silang gantong offer na 2 times multiplier. We just have to download the desktop node, no? Or yung kanilang desktop software. And then, nag-run naman siya sa background, so hindi siya nakakabala sa ginagawa natin. And again, Season 2 po ito, so hindi natin sigurado kung pares ba yung magiging performance or yung rewards, no? Yung ratio ng rewards from Season 1 versus the Season 2. But one thing's for sure, maganda po yung project ng Grass. Sa mga hindi po aware about dito sa Grass, no, by installing their node, you earn rewards for sharing your unused internet bandwidth with the Grass network. And actually, they're assuring us na walang nakukuhang information or personal data from our side. They only need the bandwidth na hindi natin nagagamit. That's why we have to run this sa background. And by contributing that, again, they give us rewards in return. No question, may kailangan ba tayong ilabas na puhunan or may bayad ba itong Grass? The answer is no. Ang dali lang pong i-operate at ang dali lang pong i-install ng Grass. On your desktops, punta po kayo sa may TikTok profile natin, tapos pinutin nyo po yung ating link, and this will redirect you dito sa ating beacons. Click on airdrops and more, and makita nyo po dito sa pangalawang link natin or kung saan man banda po dyan, etong Grass Season 2. Just click on it para ma-redirect po kayo dito sa Grass. And since then, may account na tayo, nag-redirect siya doon sa ating dashboard. Pwede po ba to sa smartphone, sa tablets? Yes, pwede po. However, yung times 2 na rewards nila is only available for now sa desktop since yun lang po yung nakita natin na bagong feature dito sa kanilang store dyan sa may dashboard ng Grass. For now, yun lang muna ang ating may share with Grass. But if you have any questions or requests, please feel free to leave it down there in the comments at mag-follow for more contents like this. Good luck sa Season 2 mga dongs!